Have you ever staked a token to earn rewards every single hour and then stopped to think, who is actually paying me and how are they doing it? Most of the time, it's just more tokens being printed, which leads to inflation and lowers the value of your rewards. And that's exactly what makes this opportunity different. In this video, I'm going to show you how to stake the Stream token and start earning real yield with Streamflow's active staking rewards program in just a few minutes. First, Streamflow is one of the top platforms for managing tokens on Solana. They help other crypto projects handle things like token locks, vesting, airdrops, and more. But in this video, we are focusing on their active staking rewards program, also known as ASR, where your rewards come directly from Streamflow's protocol revenue instead of being printed out as new tokens that cause inflation. Before we get into staking, let's quickly talk about the Stream token. This is the native token of the Streamflow ecosystem used for staking, governance, and unlocking features across their platform. At the time of recording, Stream token is trading at around $49 with a market cap of about 6.62 million. It has a total supply of 1 billion tokens, and currently around 134.75 million Stream tokens are in circulation. You can get Stream token on major exchanges like Bybit, Gate.io, KuCoin, Mexec, and on decentralized exchanges. To start staking Stream token, all you need is a Solana wallet, and for this video I will use the Phantom wallet, but you can easily use any Solana wallet you already have. Then follow the steps. Step 1, get some Solana for the equivalent amount of Stream tokens you want to stake. There's no minimum required, so you can stake any amount. And for this demo, I have $15 worth of Solana in my Phantom wallet. Step 2, swap your Solana to the Stream token, which you can do directly in Phantom by clicking Swap, selecting Solana to Stream from Streamflow, and confirming the transaction. Make sure you're swapping to the official Stream token, which you can verify on CoinMarketCap website. Alternatively, you can buy Stream tokens on exchanges like Bybit or Mexec and send it to your Solana wallet. Just make sure you also have a little Solana to cover network fees. Step 3, visit the official staking page at streamflow.foundation/stake. I've also put the link in the description, which you can just click on the staking page. You can check your estimated rewards and APR before you commit. Then connect your wallet by clicking the Connect Wallet button in the top right. And as simple as that, you're contributing to the Streamflow ecosystem. You'll see your rewards start to accumulate immediately, and you can claim them anytime directly from the dashboard. Now let's talk about why staking Stream tokens is worth it. Your rewards come from the protocol revenue, not inflation, so they keep their value. You earn rewards every single hour, adding up to 24 times a day, which gives you control over your rewards. Staking also gives you a voice in Streamflow governance and potential future airdrops. And the best part, the more Stream tokens staked overall, the higher the rewards rate for everyone, which is a true win-win for the whole community. If you're ready to start earning hourly rewards and take part in shaping the Streamflow ecosystem, head over to streamflow.foundation and stake your Stream token today. It only takes a few minutes to get started.